Hi guys, welcome back to FinPacked. Thank you so much for 140 subscribers I think we're on now. I appreciate the support so much and I'm so glad you guys like the videos. I know to some that may not sound like a lot, but for me, I'm very happy. Thank you so much guys. A free way to support my channel would be to like this video and subscribe, as I make new videos every week on investing, personal finance and careers. In this video, I'm going to be going into the top 3 high dividend yield stocks and why I think they are good investments for 2021. So guys, can we just say investing in dividends is such a powerful investment strategy, because not only are you owning the stock and therefore being able to capitalize on capital gains. Wow, I just said that, capitalize on capital gains. Yeah, but you can also get an income producing asset. And if you own enough, imagine if you can simply just live off the dividends from your investment. That would be such an epic financial goal. Just remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own research for this just in case. Number 1, Digital Realty Trust, and its ticker is DLR. If you guys are from London, I don't know why that just reminds me of the DLR train. Anyway, so Digital Realty Trust Inc. is actually a global real estate investment trust, basically a REIT. So it was founded in 2004 and it now owns and operates over 280 data centers in over 20 countries. So Digital Realty Trust has a market cap of $39.4 billion. Digital Realty Trust has a current stock price of $140.46 as of 24th January 2021. In case you are seeing this video later, the price may change. And the last payment that took place on its ex-dividend date was on the 14th of December in 2020. We can see here that they pay dividends quarterly because we can see 2020 has 4 dates here. 2019 has also 4 dates, and same with 2018 and so on and so forth. I like it when dividends are paid quarterly because then you can reinvest your dividends back into your portfolio and gain from compounded growth. Digital Realty also made some strategic acquisitions in 2020, and these we expect should be absorbed into their share price so that investors can not only gain from capital gains, but also this will increase the company's ability to pay higher dividends as time goes on. So let's have a look at their acquisition of Interxion. So as we can see here, Digital Realty acquired Interxion. This is going to help reshape the data center landscape by linking European data center sites and its connectivity to Europe and Asia, the Middle East and Africa. So this has been a huge strategic acquisition. This acquisition will allow Digital Realty to expand to Europe. As we can see here, Interxion has European data center sites, and this, with its interconnection capabilities, will help link Europe to Asia, the Middle East and Africa. As we know, Digital Realty Trust is one of the largest data center operators in the US, and this has been an $8.4 billion deal. This deal will put DRT ahead of Equinix in terms of both size, but also its ability to move into landscapes in Europe and the Middle East and Asia. So let's check out TipRanks to see what analysts predict for Digital Realty as well. We can see that Digital Realty is a strong buy based on 10 analyst ratings. The target analyst price prediction is $168.67. We have Nathan Crossett from Berenberg Bank that says to buy, and it thinks it will reach to $174. As we saw previously, it's currently trading at $140. So that's a substantial increase of 23.88% on your investment. Then we have Simon Flannery from Morgan Stanley, who says it's a hold. He thinks it will increase to $148, which is a 5.37% increase. We also have Jonathan Peterson from Jefferies, which says to buy and thinks it will increase to $189, which is a 34.56% increase from where we are at right now. And then we have Tim Long from Barclays that says to buy and thinks it will increase to $170, which is a 21.03% increase. Now remember, not only will you be gaining from capital gains, but you will also be having the income given through your dividends quarterly from Digital Realty Trust. Now, the second high dividend yield stock that I recommend is Philip Morris International. Its ticker is PM. So Philip Morris International is one of the world's largest tobacco companies. Now, I'm not for tobacco, disclaimer. So hear me out. Philip Morris owns some of the largest tobacco companies such as Marlboro. Now, from an investing point of view, tobacco is actually relatively recession-proof. In fact, in 2020, the shares only slumped by 3%, which is actually surprisingly low given how other shares reacted in this pandemic. Now, one of the reasons I'm bullish on Philip Morris is that they have a campaign to divert their customers away from cigarettes. They have a campaign called the Smoke-Free campaign, which I think is a great way to help people transition away from cigarettes. So Philip Morris has the Unsmoke campaign. As you can see here, they're transforming their core business to deliver a smoke-free future. Now, when companies adapt to evolving trends in the market, this massively helps them stay sustainable in their growth. So imagine one of the world's most successful cigarette companies making a huge transition. They've even said that themselves. They said they've made a dramatic decision. They're building a future on smoke-free products, which of course are not risk-free, but they're better than cigarette smoking. I think this vision that they are doing in 2021 will aid their growth massively. Let's have a look at their dividend payout schedule as well. The current share price for Philip Morris International Inc. is $80.68. They have a surprisingly high dividend yield of 5.88%. Their ex-dividend date, the last one, was 22nd of December 2020, and their annual dividend was $4.08. If you can see here, they pay quarterly as well, and if you see, they've had increasing amounts of dividends paid out over the years. Now, with their transition to tobacco-free products, that will help them ensure that they are sustainable, and they will also grow with the evolving trends of a more health-conscious customer base. Let's have a look at what other analysts say regarding this stock and whether they think it's also a buy. So as we can see on TipRanks, Philip Morris is a moderate buy. The average analyst price target for Philip Morris is $97. This is a lot higher given that it's currently on $80. We can see that Pamela Kaufman from Morgan Stanley has said it to be a buy at $93. Other analysts have said $88, $91, and $90. These are still substantially higher than what the current price is. And the fact that they have a high dividend yield, I think that's a win. The third high dividend yield stock is China Mobile, and it's actually also the world's largest telecom company. If anyone's seen my 6 investment trends of 2021 video, I said that stocks and shares from China are going to boom. So actually this stock was not getting a lot of love in 2020. Now remember, when stocks are not getting much love and they're not being bought, especially if it's more of a temporary setback, that's when you buy. In fact, Morningstar's analyst Dan Baker said that he thinks there are brighter days ahead for China Mobile. Baker said that they are delivering higher margins and higher returns on invested capital relative to their competitors. So, of course, Morningstar has a buy rating. Now, let's have a look at the details and then see which analysts have also predicted that it's a buy. Now, remember, if you do consider investing, go and do your own research. On their website, they include their operating data and their financial highlights. We can see that they have almost 1 million total mobile customers and 165,000 5G package customers and 775 4G customers and 210,000 wireline broadband customers. Check out their financial highlights as well. So they have had 574 billion in Chinese yuan renminbi, and that would be around 88.6 billion US dollars. They've had an EBITDA of 216, and as you can see, they've also been highly profitable. So we can see that China Mobile Limited's current share price is $27.63. Their dividend yield is around 6.87%. That is incredibly high. We can see here their dividend history. In 2020, in the interim, they paid 1.53 dividends per share. If you want a full list of their dividend history, check out their website where they have said every single dividend payment they have made. They make them biannually, so they're not making them quarterly. It will be every 6 months. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure you do your own research before you invest in anything. These are just my opinions and experiences. And can I just say thank you again for 140 subscribers. I am so grateful, you guys. So yeah, keep on supporting my channel. Hit the like button and the subscribe button. Let me know if there are any dividend stocks you really like. Put them in the comments below. Let's start a discussion, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.